If you're doing any sort of business on Facebook or Instagram, it's gonna be really important for you to actually connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. And there's a number of reasons why. The first is if you wanna be able to cross-post content from Facebook to Instagram, that's really the only way to do it, is to make sure that they're both connected. Also, if you wanna use Facebook Creator Studio to schedule your Instagram posts ahead of time, you're gonna need to have your Instagram account connected to your Facebook account. And finally, if you wanna run ads on your Instagram account, it's gonna need to be connected to your Facebook account. So with that being said, there's a couple of ways to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page, but this is the best way that I've found how to do it. You can do it on mobile, but in my opinion, doing it on desktop is the easiest, the fastest, and the best way to do it. Keep in mind, you're gonna need to be an admin of the Facebook page that you're trying to connect to Instagram. If you're just a manager on that page, or you have access through an agency or something else like that, this is not gonna work. It's gonna give you lots of problems. You gotta be an admin. First thing you're gonna wanna do is log in to your Facebook page on desktop. You're gonna make sure that you have the right page selected that you wanna connect to your Instagram account. At the top of your page, you're gonna click this button that says Manage. Then from there, navigate to the left side where it says Linked Accounts. Once you're here, you'll be able to see an option to connect your Instagram account. You wanna go through that process, and if it works, you'll get this success message here that says Instagram is connected. And it's really that simple. So that's how I recommend you connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. If you got value out of this, please leave me a like. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time.